All right, so we have started our 21 days raw prep. This is coconut. Of course, you all know I love sugar cane, so I have grapes, I have tangerine, and I have grapefruit. So this is how I'll be starting my 21 days raw journey, with mostly citrusy and high water content fruits, right? Yeah. Okay, so I also got some green juice and moringa juice as well. So yes, we're getting ready for the challenge. All right, so I'm starting my morning with a foot soak. So this is Epsom salt and soursop leaf. Don't ask me what it's good for, but yeah, man. So I'm putting some hot water in it, and then I'm going to make it seep. So I'm gonna cover this for a little bit, and then when the water gets warm, I'm gonna put my foot in it and have a soak. So I guess this is self-care. All right, so this is still hot, so while I wait for the water to get warm so that I don't burn off my feet, I'm also soaking my first meal, grapes, in water and white vinegar solution to wash it, to clean it. So I'll be having grapes while I soak my feet. Self-care. The day before the 21 days raw challenge starts. Oh yes. Oh yes. Eating my grapes and soaking my feet. All right, so the next thing I'm having is grapefruit. All right, so the next thing I'm having is green juice. Boy, tight. The last thing I'm having for today is cane. So it's the final day of the year. Tomorrow is not only the start of 2024, the start of the new year, but it's also the start of the 21 days raw challenge, which is our first challenge for the new year. I'm excited about that. If you're not yet a part of the Raw Fam membership on Patreon, I'm imploring you that you should consider joining, that you should join, because it will be a year of radical transformation for the members who are a part of the Raw Fam. Right? We'll be having different challenges each month, a different challenge each month, whether it's in the realm of wellness, health, or wealth. So either you're trying to improve your health, improve your wellness, or increase your income, so making more money. So it's going to be a really family oriented community. It's always good to be a part of a community where everyone is on the same mission. They have, and when you're up, somebody's there to help you along the way, and that's what the Raw Fam is about. And raw means radical and wealthy, because we're all about making radical changes. We're all about taking steps to you know, to see radical transformations. So at the end of 2024, every member will see improvements. Once they do what they're supposed to do, we'll see improvements in their health, their wellness, and their finances. So if you want to join, click, there's a, I'll put the link in the description. So that's the Raw Fam Radical tier on Patreon, and join us. All right, so we start tomorrow with the 21 days raw challenge, and I'll be sharing each day what I eat in a day. So today I shared my pre 21 day raw challenge, and I'm going to also, for the rest of the 21 days, we'll be sharing that with you as well. Thank you so much for being a part of my community, for subscribing, all 9,000 plus of you for subscribing. My goal was only to reach to 5,000 subscribers for 2024, but I gone all the way on 9,000. So I think I'm going to push it to 20,000 for. So by the end of 2024, I'm supposed to be at 20,000, and I know that you guys can help me to get there. Just share the videos, keep liking, keep sharing with persons who you know are interested in this kind of content. Wealth, WELLTH, that's wellness, health, and wealth. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you sharing. Happy, happy, happy New Year. May it bring you good health, wealth, and prosperity. Raw love.